Okay, so this is, I believe, from the 2011 test, and I just did not get a chance to print it out. But I had it on my test, and I remember going over it when I practiced. So this is really, I just want you guys to know this. It's not too hard. So the NMR, we have 9 and 6. So those are multiples of 3. So we know we have some ethyl groups, right? And you can also tell by the splitting, we have the 3 hydrogens that are next to the 2 hydrogens, right? So we have, here's my ethyl group. It says 3 hydrogens and then 2 hydrogens. So these group of hydrogens are going to have that triplet, but then these 2 hydrogens over here are going to have the quartet. And then we have one lone hydrogen all by itself. So first thing I would do is degrees of freedom. So 7 carbons times 2 plus 2 minus 16 hydrogens is a total of 0. So we have no degrees of freedom, so there's no fancy functional groups. So also notice how it's really high numbers. Remember when I said if you have high numbers, that means you probably have some sort of symmetry going around. And so basically the answer to this one is that. So we have 9 and 6. So these 3 hydrogens are all going to be the same. So we have 3, 6, 9, and then we have 2 hydrogens everywhere here. So that's 2, 4, 6. So these are all going to be the same. So that's why we have our 9 and 6, and then we have the 1 hydrogen that's over here by itself. So I just want y'all to know that if you see this, immediately think that, and then just double check to make sure everything is correct, but it should be.